All right, what's going on, guys? It's Big Player D from Player DLC. Do me a favor, man. Go ahead and like and subscribe right quick. I'll be hitting you guys with more and more videos. And today, we're dealing with the Team Associated Rival MT8. As you can see, a few upgrades. I had to fix the controller. Also, I got the MT Cyclones on there. As you can see, I just put on 2 tornado fans. So with that being said, we're gonna give it a quick run right quick. See if it get hot, see if it don't get hot, see if it improves.